This is a quick demonstration and review of the Logitech Litra Glow. So this is a really small portable USB powered light. It gets up to 250 lumens and the color temperature ranges from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin. And you can adjust the controls on the back. So this is the power button in the middle. Press that, it'll turn the light on. Press it again, turn it off. These buttons right here are for the brightness, and then these are for the color temperature. So if I had this back here, change the color temperature up and down, warmer and then cooler. And then I can change the brightness if I want it. Right now it's at its dimmest and this is at its brightest. So it actually gets pretty decently bright. I'll actually show it on my face so that I can show a demonstration of what it looks like. Now it comes with this mount here so that you can put it on top of your monitor. And the wire is not very long on it. Honestly, the build quality is just whatever. The wire is about 5 feet long, but there's a little bit of wire management here so that you can put the wire like this, so it stops it from moving. And then this is just the USB-C port, and the other end is type A. So let me go ahead and lock my camera settings in and put this on my monitor so we can see what it looks like. Now you can actually control this device in the Logitech G Hub software. I'll go back out right here, and then I have my headset here and also this light. So you can see right here, I can turn this on or off, and then I can change the color temperature and then also the brightness to make it as bright as I need it to be. So let's go ahead and just demonstrate what this looks like. And this is with the light off, pretty much no light in here, just a tiny bit of daylight getting through. So I'll go ahead and turn this on to its minimum brightness. And let's go ahead and drag this over. It'll even show the Kelvin temperature range over here. As you can see, 65 to 2700 Kelvin. I'll go with 5700, and this is at its smallest or lowest brightness, and this is at medium brightness. So this is just one light on by itself. If you had two of them, you could even get more even lighting. I do have this off a little bit more to this side, and now I'm going to raise this up to its maximum brightness. And this is what it looks like. Brightens up my face quite a bit. Now the light is a little bit harsh like a beam just because the light is so small, but it's actually quite soft for a light that's that small. A lot of times the effect is a lot more harsh and it makes the fine lines of your face stand out a little bit too much if you have a light that's this small, but this is actually doing a pretty decent job. I might not even need it quite at its maximum brightness. Drop that just down by maybe a little bit. And I think this is a decent light if you just need something that'll work, that's portable, easy to take around. It's powered by your computer because you just plug it in USB. Now, considering the form factor, the only thing that I don't really like about this light is that the monitor clip, it's not super secured to your monitor. It's just kind of like there, but you can twist it to get the right angle that you want, and then you can move it up and down based on how your monitor is. So I do like and recommend the Logitech Litra Glow.